Good morning, grade 7. Today we'll continue our lesson of yesterday. Yesterday we talked about integers. Today we'll talk how to add integers on the number line and how to add integers without number line. Okay? Adding integers using the number line. Common core content 7 NSA 1B. Okay? Adding integers. Understand? So, if we have two numbers, B and Q, as you see here, number B, consider P as a number, plus consider Q another number. As the number located a distance Q from B. So the number will start from B and take distance from B if B is here, if we have the number line like this. Okay, B is here. And I want to move from B to Q. Okay? May I go to this side? In this case, Q must be positive. And if I go to this side, in this case, Q is sure to be what? Negative. Yes, it's okay. Okay. In the positive or negative direction, depending on whether Q is positive or negative. Okay, shows that the number and its opposite have a sum of 0. Okay, so if they are the sum of P and Q equals 0, they called what? The additive inverse. So P and Q are additive inverse. Interpret sums of rational numbers by describing real world contents, like as we will see now. Okay. So if I have the number line here and I want to add 2 plus 3 by using the number line. Okay, we will consider B is what? Yes, P is 2. So we'll start, the first number is P. Yes, P is equal to. And the second number is Q. So we'll consider that Q equals 3. So we want to move from B to Q. Okay? From B to what? Q. Where is B? It's 2. So we'll start from 2. Okay. Want to go to Q. Q is positive or negative? Yes, Q is positive number. So we'll go to the right hand side. How many places? 3. 1, 2, 3. Where we are now, it's 5. So 2 plus 3 equal 5. Okay? Okay, let's take another example. Okay, we want to add positive and negative number, okay? 2, consider B equal 2. So we will start from B and want to move to Q. P here equal 2 and we want to go to negative 3. So we will start from where? B. B is equal to, so we will start from B here, 2 on the number line, positive 2. And want to go left or right, it's negative, so we'll go to the left-hand side. 1, 2, 3. What is the result now? Yes, the result is negative 1. That's right. Okay, another question to improve or enrich our knowledge about this lesson. Okay, 5 plus negative 3. Okay, B here equal what? Yes, equal 2. So B equal 2. So we'll start from where? 2. Yes. Okay. Q equal what? Negative 3. This is the last example. Yeah, this is last example. We'll move to the another example. Sorry. I repeat the example. Okay. We'll start from B, which is equal 5. Move to Q, which is equal negative 3. So B is 5. Q negative 3. Okay, we'll start from 5, yes, P, and go to the left-hand side because Q is negative. 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. Now, where we are, it's 2, yes. So 5 plus negative 3 equal 2, okay? Okay, what about if I add 2 negative numbers? It's okay, we'll do it in the number line. But when we start B equal what? B here is negative 2. So we'll start from negative 2. Okay, now I want to know if I will go to the right hand side or the left. So we will find the value of q. Q is negative 5. So we will go to the left hand side 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is negative 7. Okay. What about if I have big numbers? This is easy for small numbers. What about big numbers? Like this example. If I have negative 75 plus 120, the number line here, if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, I will not reach 75 or 120. So how we can make it? Put 0 in the middle of the number line here. This is the 0 position. Actually, we have in the right hand side the positive numbers, and in the right hand side positive, in the left hand side negative numbers. So where to put? We want to start with b. B equal negative 75. So we will start from b. Where negative 20? So it's in the left hand side. Consider it here. So if this is negative 75, and we want to add 120 positive. Okay, positive. So q here is 120 positive 120. So we will go to which side? Yes, right hand side. Let's start. We will count until here. How much values I have count? Yes, I counted 75. Because the distance between 0 and 75 here is what? 75. Which is called what? This distance is called what? Yes, it's called the absolute value of negative 75. Yes, that's right, which is equal to 75. Okay, we want to move to 120. Okay, let's go. 120, actually it's positive. So we will find it in the positive side. Consider 120 is here. Okay, so the distance is actually the difference between 120 and 75. So 120 minus 75 equal 40, positive 45. So the result is positive 45. Okay? Okay, if we, always, someone of you ask me, always, Mr. Ahmed, we will use number line. Can I make it mental by my mind? Yes. I have a general adding integers rule. If the two numbers b and q are positive numbers, if b and q are positive or b and q are negative, so similar sign, if we add similar sign, okay, what we should do? Put the sign, similar sign. First one, 20, positive 20 plus positive 11. Positive, positive, put the positive. And as you know, we don't have to write positive. Yes, so it's positive. Then add, put the sign and add. Put the sign and add. When we do that in the similar sign numbers, okay? So add 20 plus 11, it will be 31. Okay, what about negative plus negative? Okay, the same sign, negative plus negative. Same sign of B, negative, sign of Q is negative, so put the sign. So we'll put the negative sign. Then what? Yes, add. Put the sign and add. Put the sign and add. It's when I should do that in the similar sign. Okay, so add 5 plus 7 equal 12, so it will be 12. Another example, if I have different sign, B positive, Q negative, what should I do? Sign of big and subtract. Sign of big and subtract. Try to make it like a song. It will be very easy. So sign of big and subtract. What's the big number here without putting the number the negative or positive? So 9 is greater than 5. What is the sign of 9? It's positive. So put here positive. And we don't have to write the positive sign. This is the first step. And subtract. 9 minus 5 equal 4. So it's 4. What if B is negative number and Q is positive number, different sign? Okay, which one of these 10 or 4, which one of them is greater? Actually, 10 greater than 4. What is the sign of 10 is negative, so put the negative sign. Okay? Then subtract. 10 minus 4 equal 6. So it's negative 6. Okay? I have very important note, special case. If the two numbers are the same, have the same value, the two numbers have the same value. Positive 5, negative 4. Which one is greater? This is different sign. I'm searching for the greater now. They are similar. So the similar sign, we call it the additive inverse. So this is called additive inverse. So the additive inverse of 5 is negative 5. And additive inverse of negative 5 is 5. So if we add two additive inverse to each other, the answer will be 0. Okay? Okay. Let's solve this problem with each other. Okay. Negative 10 plus 14. So different sign. Which rule we will use? Which rule? Yes, add the different sign. Sign of big, then subtract. Sign of big, then subtract. Okay, let's apply it. Okay, sign of big, which one is bigger? It's 14. Yes, it's 14. What is the sign of 14? Positive. We will put positive, but we don't have to put the positive sign. We don't have to do that. Okay, and subtract. 14 minus 4 minus 10 is 4. Yes, 14 minus 10 is 4. So the result is 4. Okay. Okay. What about the next number? Adding positive 15 and negative 7. Which one is greater? Positive 15. So the sign will be positive. We don't have to write it. Okay. And subtract. Different sign, we make subtract. So subtract 15 minus 7, which is 8. Okay. What about negative 3 plus negative 3? Don't make mistake and tell me 0. No, this is similar sign, not different. Similar sign, not different. Please notice it, please. Negative and negative, they are the same. So we will use this rule. This rule, same rule, which the rule of similar. Here. Similar sign. Put the sign and add. Put the sign and add. So they are similar sign. What is the similar sign? Is negative. So similar sign here is negative. Put the sign. It's negative. Then add 3 plus 3, 6. So it's negative 6. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you. Bye.